The HERTZ Mille Pro MPK Systine 53 component system delivers exceptionally clean and dynamic sound that feels far more like a high-end home setup than a typical factory car upgrade. Its soft dome tweeters use a refined fiber blend to produce smooth, detailed highs that stay crisp even at spirited listening levels without becoming harsh. The mid-bass drivers combine a responsive cone with a very compliant rubber surround, giving tight, punchy bass and natural midrange that make vocals and instruments sound lifelike. A pure copper voice coil and carefully engineered motor structure contribute to excellent control, so complex tracks stay clear and composed rather than turning muddy. The relatively shallow mounting depth makes installation easier in many factory door locations, allowing you to fit serious performance into spaces that usually limit aftermarket options. Overall build quality from the basket to the terminals feels solid and purpose-built for enthusiasts who want reliable, audiophile-grade sound in a daily driven vehicle.